Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a nickname for a friend in your Instagram chat using the latest updated steps. If you've ever set a nickname for someone and want to remove it, this quick guide will help you do just that in no time. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in the app, head over to your direct messages by tapping the paper plan icon or the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Next, open the chat with the friend whose nickname you want to delete. This will bring up your conversation with them. Now, tap on their name at the top of the chat screen. This will open the chat settings and options related to that particular friend. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Nicknames and tap on it. You'll see a list of nicknames you've set for your friends in this chat. Find the nickname assigned to your friend's account. Tap on it to edit. To delete the nickname, simply erase the text in the nickname field so that it's empty. Once you've cleared the nickname, tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. The nickname will be removed from your chat and your friend will no longer be displayed with that nickname in your conversation. Deleting nicknames is a great way to keep your chats clean and updated, especially if you want to change how you address your friends or just want to remove old nicknames you no longer use. Remember, these steps are based on the latest Instagram update, so if you don't see the exact options, make sure your app is updated to the newest version. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to delete a nickname for a friend on Instagram chat quickly and easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy social media tips. See you next time.